What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we have another Aliexpress special video for you, so let's get right to it. So let's see exactly what you have in the package here. So you got a little insert, you got 2 replacement bolts, you got 2 brand new washers, and of course you got the new dog bone mount. As you can see, it's very nice polyurethane material. And before you guys go all hating in the comments, this is just a piece of aluminum with a polyurethane bushing. You can't screw that up. It feels very good quality to me. Like, first impressions, it's very, very good quality, very durable looking, very just solid feeling. It doesn't feel loose at all. So before you guys go hating in the comments saying, you should have bought an APR, or you should have bought a 034, or you should have bought a new speed mount, this was $30 Canadian shipped to my door. Now let me tell you, if this breaks prematurely, I would much rather just buy another one of these for 30 bucks rather than dropping 300 USD on an APR or a 034 or whatever. The way I feel about these is this is just like a downpipe to me. I feel the same way about it. This is just a piece of metal with a bushing in it, just like how a downpipe is just a piece of pipe. They're also get an eBay cheap $50 downpipe and drop, you know, $1,000 on an APR. But that's just me, guys. Funny, actually, I compared a buddy's 034 mount to this one, and I'm telling you, it looks exactly the same. So what I think is happening here is 034 or whatever companies are buying them from AliExpress. They're putting their own name on it and they're marking it up. So do me a favor, don't lube yourself up and don't get bent over. All right, guys, so let's check out the situation under there. Let's do a quick vibe check. Let's do a quick vibe check under the car. So there's the old dog bone. 1 bolt over there, 2 bolts over here. And no, you don't have to hold the motor with a jack or anything. You just pull it out and then you're good to go. So at this point, you got to remember that the short bolt goes in the first hole and the long bolt goes into the second hole. So I'm just going to put them down on the ground like this in order, just so I remember. Oh, this one's a long bastard. Look at that. Oh, there we go. And that last bolt over there is going to be a big boy. It's going to be a 21. So just go ahead and take that off. And then the entire old assembly should just slide right out. Just like that. Now let's take our shiny $30 mount and slide it in. Make sure the pointy part is pointing down, so you want to put it in like this. Genuine AliExpress parts, guys. Genuine parts. Now that that's in, take your 21, shove it in there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep all the bolts just loosely tightened until everything is back together. Take your first small nut with a washer, that's going at the very back. Just like that, just have it finger tight. And then take your long boy, take your long john, stick it in this hole. And just keep it loose, just find the threads first and keep it loose. So now for the smaller Allen bolts, they are going to be a size 8 Allen. Do not over torque them under any circumstance or you will fuck this whole job up. Do not over torque them, be very, very careful. Mount is fully installed, everything's tightened up in there. Let's get her off the jack stands and see how this $30 mount performs. And I guarantee you it's 100 times better than stock. All right, guys, let's hop in the car. I'm going to do the very first startup on these motor mounts, and I'm gonna tell you what you guys think in terms of NVH. rev it up a little bit here and see what we have. I don't really feel any difference in terms of NVH. I'm going to take it on a drive and tell you what I think about it after. But right now, compared to my Torque Solution Mazda Speed 3 motor mount, this is like, feels just like stock so far. Okay, so driving the car on the $30 AliExpress motor mount, honestly, it feels pretty good, pretty much like stock. Although the car does feel a bit tighter, let me tell you that. That felt so planted. You guys have no idea. That felt so planted. Just like shifts way better too. It's more like crisp. Honestly, 10 out of 10. I approve so far. We'll see how long it lasts, but so far, I approve. Let's try it one more time here. Oh yeah. Well, that feels amazing, guys. I wish you were here to like fully experience this. Well, anyways, there you guys have it. That's a $30 AliExpress motor mount. Before you go hating in the comments, try it for yourself. And before you go lubing up yourself and bending over for big companies like APR and 034, try this first. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.